Now is available on McCarthy Cars Range Rover Sport 2012 metallic black. Car has front headlight washer, it's got front fog lights, it's got front parking sensor, it's got 20-inch alloy wheels. Car has rear parking sensor, it's got reversing camera, electric tailgate, split folding rear seats, full black leather interior, it's got side and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX chassis preparation, it's got rear heated seats, Harman Kardon premium sound system, 4 electric window, electric and folding mirror, front auto headlights, full electric seats, electric lumbar support, satellite navigation, it's got reversing camera, touchscreen, Bluetooth, telephone connection, it's got push button to start, CD, 2-zone climate control, air conditioning, heated seats, automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive mode, it's got USB and iPod connection, fridge, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift, cruise control, speed limiter, it's got DAB radio, TV, thank you for watching.